it's your girl Couture Shans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys 5 ways in which you can pair this gorgeous kimono slash cover up any way you desire. So continue watching the video and don't forget to subscribe. So for style number 1, we're going to take our cover up and we're going to rock it over our usual bikini or monokini for a fun day at the beach or the pool. You know the vibes. So style number 2 consists of pairing your cover up with a bodysuit and a jean shorts. Here I paired it with a blue wash ripped shorts, but you can just as well pair it with a black shorts. It just adds a little pop and a little sporty vibe to the cover up, and you can wear it casually with either sneakers or sandals. So style number 3 is to just throw on your everyday jeans. As you can see, I am struggling to get into mine, but come on guys, don't we all in these COVID times? So you can pair it with a simple top or a bodysuit. Again, oh my god, I love bodysuits. And your regular blue wash jeans. So this is definitely giving me everyday errand vibes. If you want to zhuzh it up a little, you can add some shades like I did here. These round edge glasses, oversized sunglasses are just perfect to, you know, add a little pop to the outfit, and it's giving me rich auntie vibes, don't you think? Okay, so style number 4, I just added a pencil skirt and I'm not liking how it is outside, so I'm going to tuck in the sides to basically turn it into a top. So you can tuck it all in. I am going to tuck in the back as well, and this is just a perfect fit for, you know, church or even work. Like, come on, look at this, look at this. I would definitely rock this to church. I would. Another option would be to pair this with some palazzo pants. Trust me, this look is a vibe. Don't forget that all of these cover-ups are available for sale at Club Couture JA on Instagram. And the final way that you can wear this, guys, is as a mini dress. Oh my god, this is so sexy. I just took a belt and placed it around the dress to give it some shape. I'm definitely getting club vibes from this one. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments which style was your fave. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fashion videos. Bye!
Stress free, not have man problem. Body nice and me confident. Tell them say we stop watch me start stacking up. Start they call money enough now fi borrow nor beg. See the way on me up. Gyal a pissy down can't stand me.